Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Foodsaver vacuum sealer on the market, the Foodsaver VS3120. If you're serious about keeping your food fresh longer, reducing waste, or even getting into sous vide cooking, this is a device you need to know about. The Foodsaver VS3120 is a sleek, highly efficient vacuum sealing system designed to preserve your food up to 3 times longer than traditional storage methods. It works by removing air, the main culprit behind spoilage and freezer burn, sealing in freshness and flavor with an airtight lock. Whether you're storing leftovers, bulk purchases, or meal preps, this machine is tailored to handle it all. One of the standout features is the automatic bag detection. This means the machine recognizes when you've inserted a bag and starts the vacuum and sealing process without you needing to push any buttons. This automation not only makes the process effortless but also precise, ensuring a consistent vacuum seal every time. Speaking of sealing, the VS3120 is equipped with dual heat sealing strips that create a robust, airtight seal to protect your food. If you're concerned about waste, the built-in roll cutter is a game changer. It lets you customize the size of the vacuum bags, so you only use as much plastic as you need, saving both money and the environment. The machine comes with a generous starter kit that includes rolls and pre-cut bags, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Durability is another area where this model shines. It's made with high-quality materials and comes backed by a 5-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind that it will last for years in your kitchen. The Foodsaver VS3120 isn't just about vacuum sealing bags. It also has an accessory hose port, which allows you to use a handheld sealer or other Foodsaver accessories. This adds versatility, letting you seal containers, jars, or even marinate food quickly. In addition to being perfect for freezer storage, this vacuum sealer is sous vide friendly. It ensures your food is sealed tightly so you can cook your meals precisely at low temperatures for the perfect texture and taste. Cleanup is simple, thanks to a removable drip tray that catches any overflow during the sealing process, making maintenance hassle-free. With dimensions of 16.3 inches long, 9.2 inches wide, and 4 inches high, it fits comfortably on most kitchen countertops without taking up too much space. It weighs around 6.6 pounds, striking a balance between sturdy build and manageable size. The machine operates on a standard 110-volt power source and runs on 120 watts, making it energy efficient yet powerful. In summary, the Foodsaver VS3120 vacuum sealer is an excellent investment for anyone looking to extend the life of their food, save money, and enhance their cooking routine. Its combination of smart features, ease of use, and durability truly sets it apart as one of the best food vacuum sealers available. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.